Since the beginning, Pöttinger has always been a specialist in grassland farming. "50 years ago, Pöttinger started to develop expertise and gain experience in arable farming. Today, the company is a leading provider of agricultural machinery in both sectors. In 1975 marks the beginning of the exciting journey to becoming an arable farming specialist when Pöttinger buys the Bavarian Plough Factory in Landsberg am Lech. This strategic step lays the foundation for a focus on arable farming. Founded in 1891, the Bavarian Plough Factory was one of the oldest manufacturers of soil preparation implements in Germany. As a result of this acquisition, Pöttinger gains 85 years of experience as well as the expertise to develop high-quality arable farming machinery. The years that follow see Pöttinger introduce numerous sensational innovations. 1988 marks the launch of the new servo generation of ploughs. They set a future-focused trend in plough construction for the years and decades to come. This was followed by the launch of Lion power harrows in 1991. These are extremely robust and ideal for challenging operating conditions. The linkage-mounted Synchro is also launched, engineered to deliver thorough and cost-effective stubble cultivation. Another milestone in the company's history is the 2001 purchase of the Rabe seed drill plant, located in Bernburg in Saxony-Anhalt, Germany, marking the company's entry into the seed drill technology market. This enables Pöttinger to expand its range of soil preparation machines to include mechanical, pneumatic and mulch seed drills. The Vitasem, Aerosem and Terrasem seed drills join the product portfolio. 2003 sees Pöttinger launch the Terradisc compact disc harrow, followed by the new series of Terrasem mulch seed drills in 2004. These machines set new standards in tillage and seed drill technology. The launch of the 3-row Synchro series in 2005 expands the Pöttinger portfolio to include implements designed for both shallow and deep tillage that deliver the best mixing performance. In 2011, the upgraded Vitasem mechanical seed drills are launched to provide more precise seed metering and placement for an evenly distributed crop. Another key advancement is the introduction of direct fertilization on Terrasem mulch seed drills in 2012. This technology makes it possible to apply microgranules and macronutrients at the same time as sowing to create optimum growth conditions for the seed. 2013 signals the presentation of the new generation of Aerosem pneumatic seed drills equipped with innovative systems such as the IDS, Intelligent Distribution System, and PCS, Precision Combi Seeding Technology. The machine wins numerous awards and is named Machine of the Year. The Fox Compact combination for combined tillage and sowing is launched. In 2020, the newly developed Terrier Trailed Stubble Cultivator is launched. This is a machine that covers a wide range of tillage applications thanks to its well-thought-out tine configuration and compact design. In 2021, Pöttinger adds crop care machines to its portfolio to include machines such as RotoCare rotary hose, FlexCare row crop cultivators, and TineCare tine harrows. These machines are designed to meet the increasing demands placed on modern agriculture. They offer flexible and efficient solutions for crop care. Another major step is the acquisition of the Italian manufacturer Marta Mach in 2022. Acquiring this company enables Pöttinger to expand its product range to include precision planter technology and to integrate new technologies for modern arable farming. The Amico front hopper joins the product lineup for combining fertilizer or seed distribution with tillage. The launch of the Plano in 2024 adds a shallow cultivator to the tillage portfolio. On this machine, the tines always stay in a straight line to ensure shallow but full surface movement and meet the requirements of precision soil cultivation. Today, in 2025, PÖTTINGER can look back with pride and joy on 50 years of experience in arable farming. This impressive story is packed with continuous innovation and a relentless pursuit of excellence, which we will continue to follow during the next 50 years.
More success with PÖTTINGER.